Welcome to the AI-swers. In a study conducted by Harvard Medical School and published in Science, OpenAI Euro SO1 preview model was tested on real emergency room cases from Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center. The study examined 76 emergency room triage cases, where doctors often have to make decisions with limited information and under time pressure. In a comparison with 2 attending physicians, the AI model identified the correct or very close diagnosis in approximately 67% of the cases. The Doctor scores were reported as 55% and 50%. In a second test conducted on 143 complex medical cases, the model included the real diagnosis among its possible diagnoses in 78.3% of the cases. When partially correct diagnoses that could still guide doctors were also counted, this rate increased to 97.9%. So in this episode, we asked 6 popular AI models to answer the following ethical dilemma. What do you think about AI replacing or influencing doctors in hospital emergency rooms? Click to watch now.